Money, it's everywhere. We earn it, we spend it, we save it, and sometimes we even lose sleep over it. But have you ever wondered why? Why does money have so much power over our decisions, emotions, and even our relationships? Today we uncover the hidden science of money and how it controls you. Stay till the end to learn how you can break free. The psychology of money. Money isn't just paper or numbers on a screen. It triggers deep psychological responses. Studies show that spending money releases dopamine, the same chemical linked to pleasure and addiction. That's why shopping can feel so rewarding. But here's the catch. This dopamine rush can trick us into overspending, making impulsive financial decisions that we later regret. Sound familiar? The illusion of wealth. Ever heard the phrase, keeping up with the Joneses? Social comparison makes us crave wealth, not because we need it, but because we want to appear successful. The paradox? Many people drowning in luxury are also drowning in debt. It's called lifestyle inflation. The more we earn, the more we spend. But real wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. The power of financial systems. Here's a secret most people don't know. Money isn't real. It's a system created to control resources, influence economies, and drive behavior. The financial system is designed to keep you spending, borrowing, and working. Credit cards, they encourage debt. Inflation, it decreases your purchasing power over time. Understanding how these forces work is the first step to regaining control. How to break free. So, how do you take control? Here are 3 key steps. 1. Budgeting and awareness. Track your spending. Every dollar should have a purpose. 2. Investing smartly. Let your money grow instead of letting it sit idle. 3. Shift your mindset. Stop chasing money for status. Instead, focus on financial freedom. Remember, money should work for you, not the other way around. Now that you know how money controls you, what are you going to do about it? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more eye-opening insights. Thanks for watching and see you next time.